All right, Miss Cleo, today we're going to work on a little bit of duration with your training because we didn't get very far with that. Okay, maybe this pocket wasn't a good pocket to put this stuff in either. Should have grabbed my treat bag, bait bag, whatever. Right? Who cares what it's called as long as it's got something good in it. Where's all the rest of the treats that I just had? What am I talking? No. Nice big black widow. All right, Cleo, come. 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 Sit. Yes. Good girl. Very good girl. Come here. You okay? Put it on. Cleo, come on. Yes, good girl. Very good. Very good. That's what I like to see. Yes, it is. Dude, what the hell are you doing? You're an ass munch. Off. Sit. Uh, uh, uh. Good. Oh, place? Yes. Stay. All right, Miss Cleo, we're going to work on some stuff with you today, not him. Damn it, I should have grabbed my bag. I'm not even sure where my treat bag is. Is it there? No, it's not. Well, damn it. Oh, break. Cleo, break. Good. You broke a little early, but I did call your name, so. And we haven't really worked on break yet, so I'll give you that one. Where is my treat bag? Right there. Perfect. Good. I'm glad that didn't cause any problems. Zeus. Such a good girl. God damn. We'll see how long that gets us. It feels like that was a lot of freaking treats, but it didn't make a lot in the bag. Cleo, come. Yes, good. Very good. Let's go. With me. Good. So right now I'm getting some spatial interest out of her. The idea is to just kind of get her to understand that I need her by my side and where she's supposed to be. So I'm gonna feed her at one part of my leg. Yes. Good. Over here. Oh, you know something? I actually want her on my right hand side because we train Poe on the left. So I need her on this side of me. I'm sorry. I did that all wrong, didn't I? Good. Very good. And Cleo has a tenacity when on a leash. She likes to forge ahead, pull ahead, be the one up front. Come. Yes. So I'm using a couple leash pops to get her back with me. Probably gonna put a prong collar on her just to get a little more. Let's go. Extra out of her. Yes. Over here. And sit. Yes. Good. And place. Yes. All right. Let's go. We'll do the same thing. Just keep on repeating that. Sit. Yes. So she has a sit down pretty good, but I'm still going to heavily reward every time she does what I want just to get her interested in that word and engaging with me. Place. Yes. As soon as all 4 paws are on there, give her a good reward marker. I probably should turn this around so that way you guys can see. Let's go. Good, good. There we go. Keeping her on my side and sit. Yes, very good. That's a big piece. I'm only going to give you half of that. Good. And place. Yes. Good. So that time I just gave her a little guidance with slight body movement to get her onto the place command. Let's go. Good. So the reason we're doing this is because integrating her with the dogs and things, I need to start getting her into the notion that I need her to do what I tell her. Ah, yes. And I need her to stay where she's at. Place. Yes. Let's go. So I'm trying to reload my hand with a treat before I even ask her to do something, just so that way she's not watching me get it out and is preempting what I want. Sit. Yes. Kind of like that last sit. Place. Good. Place. What are you doing? Yes. So this is why we work it in, it's supposed to be in stages. Because she already knows the things that she knows, it's making it a little bit more difficult for her to understand what I want because I'm changing up all the rules. Let's go. So she's starting to get the idea that when I tell her to do something, I want her to just stay there and do it. I don't want her to do anything else. So now she's not sure of when she's supposed to move from that command. Sit. Yes. So definitely need to start working on break commands much more, getting her more interested in that. Place. Yes. So she's reading off my body language instead of my verbal commands. Let's go. Which isn't a terrible thing, but I just want more verbal control over her. Sit. Yeah, very good. That was a good fast sit. And place. You figure it out. Place. Yeah, she ain't listening to me for nothing. But I move forward. Yes, good. So I need to keep my hand out of the treat bag. Actually, I'm almost out of treats anyways. This is a fast session. And start giving you more of a verbal cue, or a physical cue, my bad. And let's go. And sit. Good. All right, so I'm going to start leaning off of the treats for sit, just because she's obviously got that down verbally. And place. Yes, good. So I need to give her more physical prompts and then start layering in the words. Let's go. Good, 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 good. So we'll do that one again. Come. And sit. Yes. Place. Yes. Very good. I like that she's already got a default sit whenever she gets on place. Let's go. And this is going to be the repetitions for this session. Sit. And see, once again, she's preempting me. She knows that I'm going to ask her for a sit before I have her get up there, so she's waiting for it. But she waited for it, which is good. She's waiting for that command. And place. Yes, good. Much less physical need there. She's getting it. That's how you know whether or not your dog is really starting to understand these things. Good. Now this time, very good. All I want is for her to just stay there. I want her to be able to just wait for me. That's a nice wind, huh? Very nice wind, yes. Now remember, yes is not a terminal marker. Yes is a reward marker. Yes just means, hey, I'm going to give you something. Good job. So I don't want her getting up. I don't want her moving, which is really a more advanced thing. We should be on like day 3 to 5. with this before she's at that point, but she knows pretty good what my expectations and anticipations are. All right, so I'm gonna walk back around. I'm gonna get myself in position because I want her on my right hand side from now on, not my left. And let's go. Perfect. There was no pressure from the leash on that. She immediately read with my body language. So she's really good at this. We're gonna do this one more time. Yes. Now, I didn't ask for a sit, but I did want her by my side. And she listened to me when I gave her her correction marker to just say, don't do that. And place. Yes. I think she's reading more off my left foot than she is my hand. Every time my foot motions towards it, that's when she moves. Not as much my hand pointing at the object. Good. Good. So right there, kind of reinforcing that good means continue. Yes. Yes means reward. And now this time we're going to start bringing in that terminal marker because I'm out of food and we are done with our session. So break, throw the food. She doesn't need to get it from me. We're done with our session.